Hello, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to the Earl Nightingale series, Diamonds in the Ruff. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational insights and wisdom. One of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which over the decades sold millions and millions of copies worldwide. Here are some key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale has shared with his listeners, and today we share them with you. In this lesson number 7, entitled Continuous Improvement, Nightingale promoted the ideal of continuous improvement and self-reflection. He encouraged his listeners to regularly assess their progress, identify areas of opportunity for growth, and make the necessary adjustments by pivoting accordingly. Continuous improvement, as advocated by Earl Nightingale, is a philosophy centered around the ideal of ongoing growth, self-reflection, and refinement. Let's delve deeper into several key principles and practices that foster ongoing growth and development of this continuous improvement concept in accordance with the teachings of Earl Nightingale. Number 1, commitment to learning. Nightingale believed that the journey of personal development is a lifelong pursuit. He emphasized the importance of continuously seeking knowledge, whether through reading, learning from experiences, or engaging with mentors. By nurturing a curious and receptive mindset, people can expand their understanding and capabilities, laying the foundation for their own personal continual improvement. Number 2, self-reflection and evaluation. Central to Nightingale's philosophy is the practice of regular self-reflection and evaluation. He encouraged individuals to set aside time for introspection, assessing their progress, their accomplishments, and the areas for improvement. By honestly confronting our strengths and weaknesses, people gain valuable insights into their personal and professional growth trajectories, empowering them to make informed decisions and course corrections as necessary. Number 3, goal setting and benchmarking. Continuous improvement involves setting clear, achievable goals and benchmarks to measure progress. Nightingale stressed the importance of establishing specific objectives that align with one's values and aspirations. By defining concrete milestones and tracking performance against predetermined metrics, people can gauge their advancement and adjust strategies as needed to stay on course. Number 4, embracing feedback and adaptation. Nightingale recognized the significance of feedback as a catalyst for growth. He encouraged people to solicit input from peers, from mentors, stakeholders, valuing diverse perspectives as opportunities for learning and refinement. By embracing constructive criticism with humility and openness, individuals can identify blind spots, challenge assumptions, and adapt their approaches to achieve greater effectiveness. Number 5, cultivating resilience and perseverance. Continuous improvement requires resilience in the face of setbacks and adversity. Nightingale acknowledged that progress is often accompanied by challenges and setbacks, but he emphasized the importance of maintaining a positive attitude and persevering in the pursuit of excellence. By viewing obstacles as opportunities for learning and refinement, individuals or people build resilience and fortitude, propelling them forward on their journey of continuous improvement. Number 6, celebrating milestones and acknowledging progress. Alongside the commitment to growth and self-reflection, Nightingale underscored the importance of celebrating milestones and acknowledging progress. Recognizing one's achievements, no matter how small, reinforces motivation and sustains momentum on the path to personal mastery. By cultivating a culture of appreciation and gratitude, people cultivate a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction in their ongoing pursuit towards excellence. Number 7, focus on personal mastery. Nightingale believed that mastery is a journey rather than a destination. He emphasized the importance of focusing on self-mastery, striving to continually refine one's skills, one's talents, and one's character. By setting high standards for personal excellence and committing to lifelong learning, people cultivate a mindset of continuous improvement that transcends external achievements. Number 8, embracing innovation and creativity. Continuous improvement thrives on innovation and creativity. Nightingale encouraged individuals to think outside the box, to challenge conventional wisdom, and to explore new approaches to problem solving. By embracing experimentation and embracing failure as a natural part of the learning process, people cultivate a spirit of innovation that drives progress and fuels transformation. Number 9, fostering a growth mindset. At the core of Nightingale's philosophy is the belief in the power of a growth mindset. He encouraged individuals to adopt a belief in their ability to learn and grow, regardless of their current circumstances or their past experiences. By reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and viewing setbacks as temporary obstacles, people cultivate resilience and adaptability that fuels continuous improvement. Number 10, leveraging technology and resources. Nightingale recognized the transformative potential of technology and resources in facilitating continuous improvement. He encouraged individuals to leverage tools, to leverage platforms and resources available to them to enhance their learning and productivity. Whether through online courses, digital libraries, or productivity apps, nowadays individuals can access a wealth of knowledge and support to accelerate their growth and continuous development. Number 11, building support networks and communities. Continuous improvement thrives in environments that foster collaboration, support, and accountability. Nightingale emphasized the importance of surrounding oneself with mentors, peers, and communities that inspire and challenge individuals to reach their full potential. By cultivating meaningful relationships and participating in learning communities, people gain invaluable support, feedback, and encouragement on their journey of continuous improvement on the road of life. Number 12, integrating reflection into daily practice. Nightingale stressed the importance of integrating reflection into daily practice. He encouraged people to carve out time for solitude, for introspection, and journaling to process experiences, insights, and lessons learned. By writing things down, by developing a habit of reflective practice, people gain clarity, insight, and wisdom that inform their actions and decisions, driving their continuous improvement. In essence, Earl Nightingale's advocacy for continuous improvement encompasses a holistic approach to personal and professional development. By embracing principles of personal mastery, innovation, a growth mindset, leveraging resources, building support networks, and integrating reflection into daily practices, people can unleash their potential and create meaningful impact in their lives, in their communities, in society, and the world around them. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. Over the decades, these works have empowered millions upon millions of individuals worldwide, providing them with the tools to enhance their relationships, boost their confidence, and achieve massive growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdom of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you're enjoying this series and want to gain more from his valuable wisdom and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series entitled Diamonds in the Ruff. If it brought you value today, subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. In this regard, Earl Nightingale said, "Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people." He also said, "No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others." Until next time, remember, nothing beats a failure but a try. Keep striving to be the best version of yourself. Stay positive, stay focused, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.